What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and today we're back with another wig install for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. In today's video, we'll be working with ISEE Hair. Today we're installing their 22-inch U-Part unit and I'm super excited. I haven't done a unit like this in forever. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase. Go ahead and check out ISEE Hair. And I also will be leaving the links to all the products that I'll be using today. So go ahead and check out my description. I'm just going to go ahead and roll right into the video. So for this video, I will be using the Tresemme Extra Hold Shaping Mousse and their Extra Hold Hairspray. I'll be leaving them down below so you guys can go ahead and check out my description as well. So this is the unit that we're installing today. This is their 22-inch U-Part unit. The unit comes with the adjustable band in the back and they also have another adjustable strap so it fits your head well. This is it. It's giving us some really super bouncy curls. This is it. This is their kinky texture and that will blend with my hair really well since my hair is natural and all. So I'm just going to go ahead and move right into the video, but this is the unit that we're installing today. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these straps off. This wig, I'm just going to go ahead and get my leave out ready. So this is my leave out, just the nice little U part and then the two front sections. And I just want to show you guys the inside of this unit. So with the U-Part wig, it has the combs right here that goes in the side to keep your wig in place, and then it has the pop-up combs that goes underneath the hair right where your leave out section is. You have 1, 2, 3 of them, and then we have a comb in the back as well to secure the wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this underneath and close it. We'll do the same right here. And then this comb, I'm just going to go ahead and put it underneath the hair. Like that. Guys, so this is the final look. Honestly, it took me a while to kind of get my hair straightened. I don't know what it was, but my hair was not cooperating. The look. This is it. It is super cute. Again, this hair is from ISEE Hair. This is their 22-inch U-Part unit, and this is the kinky texture. I love the curls on this unit. They're just super fluffy. It gives the unit a more full look. And this unit is from ISEE Hair. This is their 22-inch U-Part unit, and this one is the kinky curly texture. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and check out the link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from ISEE Hair, go ahead and check out my description and make your purchase. All the products that I use in today's video will be tagged down below. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments. Let me know how you feel about this unit. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.